don't know what the hell's going on over here. You good, man?
Yeah.
Everything okay?
Yeah, he just showed me a different ID, so I'm not gonna sell him his friend ID.
Oh my god. Alright, good morning everyone. I caught that that little beginning section a little too late. The one dude rushed them and went to like, and they were swinging and I missed all of it. Long story short, apparently the one dude tried to give a different ID to buy something, and the guy denied it, said no, I'm not selling you it, which he has every right to deny it. Natural selection, that's what I believe in. But anyway, so today we are doing a very long ride. Getting off to a little bit late of a start. It's about 1 o'clock, I guess, so as always. So I'm not really gonna film too much. I'm probably gonna turn the camera off and just kind of ride to there. I know I'm probably gonna miss stuff, but it's a lot of highway riding, so I shouldn't miss too much. Got my chain lubed up too. I cleaned off the chain yesterday, so we're good to go with that. My tire is pretty it's pretty shot. I mean, the sidewalls are fine, but as you guys know, I don't lean that hard, so my sidewalls are always gonna be good. I'm gonna shut the camera off and cruise. Oh god, I'm not looking forward to this.
3 weeks later.
Alright, so after about, I guess, an hour of riding, I'm at yet to get another Shell gas station. It's literally because it's the only one that's in the area. Anyway, so I'm still, according to GPS, it still says I'm about an hour out. Someone's ruining my video. Yes, sir.
Question.
Yes.
Hey, do you know whether do you know if we have a spare key for the traffic lights on the...
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, no problem, bye. When duty calls, guys, when duty calls. 24/7. And I'm looking at my tire and it is just... Oh god, she is definitely not turn ready. We'll just say that. This is heading up towards Point Reyes, but I'm not going to the flood zone or wherever I was. Yeah, pull out. What if I don't want to? It's gotta be a cop somewhere. Every week he's warning me about cops. There he is. You wave. You wave, maybe they just overlook you, right? And it's a lot colder up here. Ugh. Oh man, so much better than last time I was up here. Golly, it is absolutely beautiful out. Like, oh god, I wish you guys could see it through my eyes. Unfortunately, I'm not filming in 4K, so I got a few people asking me about what my camera setup is and how I have it set up. So what I'll do is I'll put a picture up on the screen right now, and basically what I'm using currently, I do have another camera. What I'm using is my GoPro Hero 6 Black. And as you guys know, I ran into a lot of issues with it, with filming sound and stuff like that, and actually recording sound. But my mount is made by Motoradds, and then obviously I'm using the GoPro little adapter piece because, well, anything from the GoPro 5 to 8, you need this little adapter piece to run anything external. And the mic that I'm using is a purple Panda mic. It works. I have to play with it where I may have to put another windsock on it and just do a trial video with it and just see how it sounds with 2 windsocks on it to see if I can mitigate all this wind noise. Unfortunately, it's very difficult here because it's always windy in NorCal. So you will need a, let me see if I get this correct. If not, I'll put it actually physically on the screen. A TRRS to TRS, I think that's what it is, because it is an adapter piece, and the GoPros will only record audio with that actual TRS instead of TRRS. And then the last piece that I use is I use regular GoPro batteries. What I do is I plug my GoPro into a external battery bank. So the battery bank that I'm using is made by Anker, and I'm using an Anker cord as well. And basically all it does is it plugs into the actual GoPro adapter piece, and it charges your GoPro through there. And the reason why I'm running that instead of multiple batteries because these batteries don't last that long. You maybe have, I would say maybe at peak, an hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes of filming. Right now, the quality that you're seeing is 1080p, and I film in 60 frames per second. So the 60 FPS gives it a little more crisp movement than the 30. Ooh, nice Ferrari. Like I said, this is exactly what I'm using. If you guys are interested, everything is in the description of what I use. I don't put links to this stuff. I think I'm supposed to go this way. I think we may have to stop again. That guy's license plate in front of me says buy milk. I don't know if he means like buy it or it's bisexual milk. Take it as you will. Alright, I need to pull over because I gotta make sure I'm going the right way. You know, there's a pandemic going on and I still can't get a fucking empty road. Like, it's ridiculous. I don't trust these blind corners, to be honest with you. You'll get that one person that stops and wants to make look at a view. Sorry guys, I'd love to get you guys a little more lean-in shots, but just never gonna work out that way, is it? Never, never, never. I give up. Give up. Another boring video for you guys of me sitting behind fucking cars all the time. This is super frustrating. I don't know if you guys realize. Alright, we're gonna go around this dude as soon as we come around the corner. All that just to get stuck behind another one. The thing is, I hate bullying people. I don't like doing that when I'm riding, because if I'm driving, I don't want to be bullied by a motorcycle. At the same time, it's just like when you're on a bike, it's, I don't know, it's different. Whoa. Don't crash now, bro. Feel my throttle hand, it's like completely numb. What happens when you constantly lean on it? I always look at like these mountains, and the first thing that comes to mind is Grand Theft Auto. You always get the car to the top, and you just ramp off of it, you just let the car roll down the hill. Maybe it's just me. Ooh, wow, man. It's crazy because I grew up in the city, so I love cities. But you put me in a scenery like this, I'll move in. You ain't gotta tell me twice. At the same rate, I need to be close to a major city. I don't think there's an end to this road. Ow! Ouch! I'm getting hit by I don't know what. Ah! I don't know if those are bees or not, but there was a lot just now. Holy shit! Don't exactly know where I'm going. I feel like I was just here. Okay, I am nowhere near where I'm supposed to be, guys. Yeah, I am not even close to where I need to be. I don't know what happened. What did you guys do? You know, you guys need to really get your GPS in line over here. Gonna keep walking across when he sees me coming. It doesn't say stop for pedestrians, it just says pedestrian crossing. I don't know, I think that's the same thing though, isn't it? I don't know. Road closed ahead. Of course. Well, this is bullshit, man. Holy shit. There's nowhere to go. Is there a disease down there? There's got to be a disease down there. As a public health precaution, some park areas, you should put all, are temporarily closed for the safety of visitors and staff. Updates will be posted to the park website. Like, in hell, man. I'm almost tempted to ride down there and just say F the cops. Do they expect people to just sit inside and do absolutely nothing? I have people looking over here, probably like, oh look, he got down there. Just curiosity. See if anybody follows. But your boy wants to get some pictures all the way down there. I mean, the ocean is right there. Like, I'm tempted to just keep riding, but to be honest with you, I'd be the one that gets a ticket. Oh man. Well, I mean, cops here they're a different breed. Oh man, well, I guess I'm just gonna head home because I thought for sure this place was gonna be open. Well, not the place, but the road, because it didn't go to like a park, it just went to a ranch. So why close down the road? But I don't know what to do for you guys anymore. Like, there's nothing really I can do. It's crazy because a lot of the other vloggers and moto vloggers, a lot of moto vloggers maybe do 1-2 videos max a week, because it is, again, very difficult to make content on a motorcycle. I think TJ Hunt, he was saying that he's just like, it's very difficult for him to make content. He's just like, a lot of times he's in the shop by himself and it's just like, you know, putting a headlight on and stuff. They're literally trying to find content to make, and you don't want to just, it's tough because the more popular guys can force it. Guys like me, I can't really force a vlog. We have to get gas, ladies and gentlemen. So this is where I'm gonna go ahead and conclude today's random video again. Yeah, again guys, I apologize. I hope you guys are staying with me with this and kind of understand it is very, very, very difficult to be making videos right now with everything being closed. I want to thank you guys for sticking with me, still supporting me throughout these random videos, and you guys can expect a lot more of these videos to just be random. They more than likely will be. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and watch some of my older videos as well. Meet each and every single one of you guys that are watching it. Give this video a big old fat thumbs up. And as always, make sure you guys do hit that notification bell so you guys are aware of when I upload a new video. I need every single one of you guys to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life goals. Always remember, success is not an overnight thing. You guys gotta work your ass off for it. Your boy Machine here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.